Almost everywhere in the world, the highlight of a fantastic menu is a delectable dessert. This is, of course, also true in Germany. But if you're searching online for German desserts, you'll frequently come across cakes such as Black Forest cake, Bienenstich cake, and other cakes and pies. However, in Germany, this is more an unusual choice for a dessert, as cake is typically served in the late afternoon at the so-called coffee hour, which begins around 4 p.m. Of course, a delicious piece of cake can still be served for dessert, but in Germany, creamy puddings, ice cream creations, and fruity compotes are more likely to be on the menu. Let me introduce you to 9 delightful desserts that you can easily make at home. Each recipe will be linked in the Read More box below the video. And if you want even more ideas, check out my blog post on the best 31 German desserts. Dessert number 1, Bayerische Creme. Bavarian Cream is a true classic among German desserts. It is a heavenly creamy temptation that everybody loves, a dessert that will please your family and dinner guests. Traditionally, Bavarian Cream has a vanilla flavor, but chocolate, raspberry, and other Bavarian Cream creations have become popular. Bavarian Cream can also be used as pastry cream and adds a sophisticated touch to cakes, cupcakes, and donuts. It's firm enough to pipe and still soft and airy. Just perfect. Dessert number 2, Herrencreme. Herrencreme is a creamy rum-infused vanilla pudding with dark chocolate shavings that is traditionally served at the end of a wedding dinner in Westphalia. Herrencreme translates literally as gentleman's cream. If this dessert contains alcohol, such as rum or brandy, the word gentleman is frequently used in its name in German-speaking countries. Although the dessert is very simple to make, the flavor combination of chocolate, rum, and vanilla is simply irresistible. Dessert number 3, Rote Grütze. Rote Grütze is a traditional North German dessert made from a variety of fresh berries and cherries. It is traditionally served with a rich vanilla sauce and heavy cream, but it also goes well with puddings, ice cream, and cream desserts. There are many varieties of Rote Grütze available today, with the yellow fruit or green fruit varieties being particularly popular in the summer. Glühwein Rote Grütze, made with aromatic mulled wine, is my favorite wintertime treat and the perfect dessert for Christmas holidays. Dessert number 4, Griessbrei. Semolina pudding is one of the more straightforward dishes. There are only a few ingredients required and the preparation is quick. It is not only a delicious dessert, but also a popular breakfast in Germany. It is traditionally served with cinnamon sugar, cocoa powder, or fruit compote. Dessert number 5, Milchreis. German rice pudding brings back all of your favorite childhood memories. With this recipe, you can quickly prepare Oma's comfort food. It can be eaten both warm and cold and with a variety of toppings. A simple dessert, but so delicious. Dessert number 6, Kaiserschmarrn. There are some incredible culinary highlights in the German-speaking Alpine cuisine. Among them is the traditional Kaiserschmarrn recipe. Wonderful, fluffy, fragrant, cozy, and sweet. The Austrian-Bavarian pancake specialty is soul food straight from the skillet. Dessert number 7, Apfelstrudel. Apfelstrudel is the only cake that is regularly served as a dessert on German menus. This dessert, served with vanilla ice cream and whipped cream, is the perfect ending to any meal. Nothing beats a warm slice of Apfelstrudel. It takes a bit of practice to make an authentic German Apfelstrudel. However, with the recipe provided below this video, you will be likely to succeed. And if you want a faster and easier version, I've got you covered. Simply follow my puff pastry Apfelstrudel recipe. Dessert number 8, Marilynn Noodle. Sweet dumplings are one of my favorite desserts that can be found mostly in southern Germany and are a staple at the Munich's famous Oktoberfest. Traditional fillings include apricots and plums, but they can also be combined with other flavors. For example, fresh strawberries, chocolate, or Nutella for chocolate lovers. The cinnamon sugar buttery breadcrumbs are what makes them so delicious, simply to die for. And last but not least, dessert number 9, Quark Desserts. Creamy desserts made with quark are common in German cookbooks. Desserts made with quark are simple, quick, and versatile. Quark has the consistency of thick Greek yogurt, but tastes much milder and less tart than yogurt. It has numerous health benefits and countless culinary applications. Check out my homemade quark recipe and some of my delicious quark desserts. They are perfect for any occasion. I'm hoping you got some tasty ideas for your next sweet treat. Subscribe to my channel for more German cooking videos and recipes. Guten Appetit!